Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're going to recover a deleted sticker now. First, make sure Snapchat is updated and you're logged into the correct account. This matters because stickers sync to your account. Once done, verify memories and camera roll backups are enabled so exported stickers may exist. Next, open the chat or sticker picker where you last used the sticker. This lets you immediately search recent sticker history and triggers local cache reads that we'll examine in the next steps. Now search within chats and saved snaps for the sticker. Type conversational keywords and scan pinned or archived conversations. Saved messages often retain sticker images even after deletion. If you find the sticker, press and hold to view options, export the image to camera roll or copy it. Exporting preserves the exact pixels. Make sure to note any visible sticker name or ID text in the UI because that helps recreate or re-import the asset. Once exported, you'll prepare the file for re-importing as a custom sticker. With the image in camera roll, open a chat, tap the sticker icon, then the plus or custom sticker option to import the file, crop and save to re-add it to your library. If you couldn't find a file, clear Snapchat cache or reinstall the app to prompt cache resync. Sometimes stickers reappear after a fresh sync. If problems persist, log out and back in or force update. If none of that works, contact Snapchat support and provide the exported image and sticker name for help. That usually resolves edge cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.